the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra has once again taken over tech headlines. And this time, it's not for the reason you might think. A shocking new leak has flipped earlier camera rumors upside down, raising serious questions about Samsung's direction for its next flagship. What was once believed to be a massive camera upgrade might in fact be a quiet step backward. According to the highly trusted insider ICE Universe, Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra could actually downgrade one of its most important lenses, the 3x telephoto camera, instead of upgrading it. Earlier rumors had excited fans with reports of a new 12-megapixel telephoto sensor offering clearer zoom shots, improved sharpness, and more natural color tones. But now, ICE Universe claims Samsung might not move to 12-megapixel after all. In fact, it could be sticking with the same 10-megapixel sensor from the Galaxy S25 Ultra and even shrinking its size to fit a slimmer body design. A slimmer body, a smaller sensor, the hidden trade-off. This surprising move appears to be part of Samsung's design strategy. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to be the thinnest Ultra phone ever made, a sleek metal and glass machine that feels lighter in hand and more refined in profile. But that thinner frame comes at a cost, and it seems the telephoto sensor is paying the price. The new 3x sensor, reportedly measuring 13.94 inches, is noticeably smaller than last year's 13.52-inch version. That means it captures less light, which could directly impact low-light performance, depth, and detail. Unless Samsung's engineers have achieved a breakthrough in sensor efficiency or software compensation, this could result in photos that actually look worse than the Galaxy S25 Ultra, a major surprise for a flagship carrying the Ultra name. Tech fans are understandably divided. Some praise Samsung for pushing elegant design and reducing bulk, while others argue that sacrificing core camera hardware in the name of slimness could hurt the company's reputation in mobile photography. Why Samsung is taking this risk? To understand this decision, you have to look at Samsung's strategy. Unlike companies such as OnePlus, Vivo, or Xiaomi that experiment with bold new designs every year, Samsung prefers a refine, not reinvent philosophy. Instead of redesigning everything, Samsung focuses on subtle optimizations, internal efficiency, and feature refinement, a formula that's worked for its Ultra series since the Galaxy S20. So, the S26 Ultra will likely follow that same pattern. The 200-megapixel main sensor, the 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and the 50-megapixel 5x periscope zoom will all stay nearly identical to the S25 Ultra. The only real change fans expected was the new 12-megapixel 3x telephoto camera, but now, even that's looking doubtful. AI to the rescue. Real upgrade or clever illusion? Here's where the plot thickens. Another credible leaker, Phone Art, has suggested that Samsung is preparing something entirely new, not through hardware but through AI-powered photography tricks. According to their leak, Samsung might be using AI upscaling technology to simulate higher resolution photos. That means even though the telephoto lens may physically remain 10 megapixel, Samsung could use artificial intelligence to make those shots appear as detailed as 12 megapixel images. In simple terms, your phone might pretend to have a 12-megapixel camera, while the AI quietly fills in extra detail, sharpens edges, and enhances texture, a clever illusion that could fool even trained eyes. It's an approach similar to what Google does with its Pixel lineup, relying on advanced AI computation rather than brute hardware upgrades. And it's becoming clear that Samsung's Galaxy AI system is now at the heart of its strategy for 2026. What AI could mean for photography, this AI illusion isn't necessarily a bad thing. If done right, Samsung could use machine learning to improve image processing, reduce noise, and deliver richer details, even from smaller sensors. It's a software-first revolution, not a hardware war. With Galaxy AI, the phone could analyze each shot in real time, adjusting brightness, contrast, and focus faster than any human could. It could even recognize what you're shooting, from faces to landscapes, and optimize each pixel for maximum clarity. Samsung is essentially betting that AI can make smaller sensors feel bigger, smarter, and more powerful than ever before. New camera features coming to Galaxy S26. Ultra, despite the controversy around the telephoto downgrade, Samsung isn't holding back on software innovation. Recent leaks have confirmed several camera upgrades that could dramatically enhance the Galaxy S26 Ultra's photography experience. Default 24MP mode. Samsung will reportedly double the default resolution from 12MP to 24MP, offering crisper, more detailed shots by default, without sacrificing speed or efficiency. Focus speed slider, a long-requested addition. Users will finally get control over focus speed, allowing them to fine-tune whether they want faster autofocus or slower, more precise shots. Expanded adaptive pixel tech. This smart system combines multiple lower-resolution shots into one stunning high-res photo, reducing noise, boosting clarity, and improving performance in dimly lit scenes. HDR10+ control. Samsung may give users the option to turn off HDR10+ for a more natural tone, ideal for creators who prefer realistic color balance over heavy processing. These features, powered by Camera Assistant and Galaxy AI, represent Samsung's shift from brute hardware specs to intelligent image customization. It's a move that prioritizes creativity, flexibility, and user control, something photographers have been asking for years. Samsung's new AI era, learning from Google and Apple artificial intelligence, is reshaping the smartphone industry, and Samsung knows it's time to lead, not follow. Google's Pixel 10 has already been dubbed the AI phone, with its groundbreaking photo editing tools and real-time enhancement features. But Samsung isn't backing down. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is being designed as a direct response, an AI-powered superphone that merges hardware excellence with software intelligence. From smarter image upscaling and noise reduction to real-time photo adjustments and subject detection, Samsung wants the S26 Ultra to be your AI photographer in your pocket. And it's not stopping there. Samsung's AI features will likely extend to battery management, performance optimization, display tuning, and even One UI 8.5's adaptive controls, making the device not just powerful, but perceptive. What this means for you if all these leaks hold true: Samsung's 2026 flagship will be about smart evolution, not hardware revolution. Yes, there may be fewer megapixels on paper, but AI is rewriting the rules. Instead of just adding more sensors, Samsung is teaching your phone to see, think, and capture like a pro. For everyday users, this means faster, sharper portraits, clearer zoom shots even in poor lighting, improved night photography, smoother, more natural-looking video stabilization. Samsung isn't just chasing specs anymore, it's chasing intelligence. The big reveal, February 25th, 2026, mark your calendars. Samsung is expected to officially unveil the Galaxy S26 Ultra on February 25th, 2026 in San Francisco, alongside the Galaxy S26, S26 Edge, and the brand new Galaxy Buds 4. This launch could mark a turning point, not just for Samsung, but for smartphone photography as a whole. While some may call it a downgrade, others will see it as the beginning of a smarter, more efficient future where AI and hardware work hand in hand. Whether you love or hate these decisions, one thing is certain. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is about to redefine what camera innovation truly means, not through more megapixels, but through more intelligence.